let's continue. This beauty isn't staying, it's gonna be for sale. That's the price roughly for when buying stuff like that new or those parts new. That's about as much as I paid for it, and then we can take a look and see how. So 5600 used, $100 on Facebook. Cooler was a part of another deal, but I often get those for 20, maybe even $15. Motherboard used $80. Memory kit was actually from Germany, bought in like 2021 for about as much, and that's the price. The 150 is for 3200 C16, so this one is technically better. This one's just not available for sale anymore. SSD was again a part of another deal, but again, I get those quite often for 40 to maybe $50. HDDs are basically free. I get them in packs of 5 to maybe 20 for $20 quite often. GPU was 220 used. Lianli case was a part of a deal with that black cooler, which is same thing as this. So you can say that this is worth 25, which would make this PC case worth 50. Although that CPU cooler is practically a bit more, but still we'll say that it was $25. And then this PSU sucks. I know it does, but it would do. And that brings us to 625 spent. Hopefully it would sell for over 1,000 Canadian. Again, all prices are in Canadian money, so deduct 30% to get US dollars.